Top news headlines. Manipur celebrates Mera Hauchongba festivals with great fervor. And Manipur's coronavirus positivity rate further dips to 3.4%. We are collectively facing a pandemic threat that is sweeping across the humanity beyond oceans and borders. Considering the seriousness of COVID-19, it's about time we step up against this deadly disease, maintain a safe distance from others, even if they don't appear to be sick, wear masks in public, especially indoors or when physical distancing is not possible, choose open, well-ventilated spaces over closed ones, clean your hands often, use soap and water or an alcohol-based hand rub, get vaccinated when it's your turn, follow local guidance about vaccination, cover your nose and mouth with your bent elbow or a tissue when you cough or sneeze. Stay home if you feel unwell. Hello, good evening everyone. You're watching PONYTV English News at 6:30. This is me, ZOTHANPUII, giving you the news in detail. Mera Hauchongba Festival was celebrated today at the Sacred Place Kangla in Infil, jointly organized by Learning Thao Sana Mahi Temple Board and Uttara Shanglen Sana Konung Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, Manipur Maharaja and Rajya Sabha MP, Leisemba Sanaujoba, Vice President of Lining Thao Sana Mahi Temple Board, Laurambem Romeshwar Meitei, former Minister R.V. Mingthang and RSS All India PRO Sunil Deshpande shared the dais during the function. Cultural song and dances, including Pena Saisak, were the main highlights of the event. Mera Hauchongba Festival was celebrated today at the Sacred Kangla by the Uttara Shanglen Sana Konung Rajya Sabha MP and Maharaja of Manipur, Leisemba Sanaujoba, performed the Mera Wayungba ritual at the Kangla. The festivals of Mera Wayungba symbolize the love and bond of the hills and valley. The festivals demonstrates that the valley brethren are there for the hill people. Leisemba Sanaujoba stated that may this festival bring peace, harmony and prosperity, besides curing all the disease by the Almighty.
Damasna laiba ang putik maki dharamagi khenaba jeti khenaba masmagi jati khenaba amata laitana mayam nakki punna yaumina ba yaba adumba common noiba customary and traditional festival ni aduna sigumba mera hokchongge thoromasina lakpasida ai maki dagi amasung laiba miyam punamaki mo sunjaraga Nuaiba Yaipaba, Jimmy Dami, Sumba, Ramba, Sekena, Jessel Hamba, Sahong Mahoma, Hoji, a quick Primana, Malay, Tunariba, Kiba, Waba, COVID-19, Wabasi, Bakun Bagi, Zaldi, Tamla Mase, Malay Masiki, Mahun, Bikiba, Aduba, Lady Basini, Tarukuna, Musi, Sanana, Batam Sana, Tango Latana, the Labor Dog, Orison,
Fourth Mera Hauchongba Festival was celebrated today at N. Mingram village of Tengnopal district. The program was jointly organized by Indigenous Minority Organization Manipur Imom, Halmi Research Guild Manipur HRGM, Manipur Peace and Integrity MAPI Council, United People Front UPF Manipur, Indigenous Minority Social Culture Organization Manipur IMSCOM, National Identity Protection Council NIPCO and Village Authority of N. Ringpam Village. Manipur's coronavirus positivity rate further dipped to 3.4% in the past 24 hours with addition of 95 new infections and 3 fatalities. As per a release from the State COVID-19 Common Control Room, yesterday the state reported its positivity rate at 3.8%. The positivity was recorded at 3.4. Now the total infection tally has increased to 1,22,970. The death toll has reached 1,904. The new cases were confirmed from a total of 2,081 samples. The COVID-19 Common Control Room said altogether 17 people were discharged in the past 24 hours. India reported 1,463 fresh coronavirus infections, taking the total tally of COVID-19 cases to 3,41,08,996. As per the Union Health Ministry data updated at 8 p.m., the death toll has climbed to 4,52,651 with 197 fresh fatalities, while the active cases declined to 1,78,098 in the last 24 hours. 14,623 new infections and 197 dead reported in India. The daily positivity rate was recorded at 1.10% and weekly rate at 1.46%. The active cases comprise less than 1% of the total infection, while the recovery rate of national COVID-19 was recorded 98.15%, which is the highest since March 2020. A sit-in protest was staged today at the Pungdongbam Mayai Lekai Community Hall over the plantation of a bomb at the residence of one Irangbam Kuber on 18th of October. Members of Pungdongbam Women Development Society, Pungdongbam Khul Committee and Pungdongbam Youth Physical Club took part in the demonstration. They held several placards condemning the incident. No group has claimed responsibility for the incident.
Kahantang taranipan da irungmam kubergi yumda lairmiba bomasi kanana karidamakta thambiramno haibadu atu matamda mangani bomanung da sengtupiro karigumba masida sengtupidaba targadi akoi maira baigi club loga akan mukang changsin jagani.
Manipur Education Minister S. Rajan inaugurated a newly constructed community hall at Lambal Sabal Lekai today. Awang Kunau Zilla Parishad member N. Pramo also attended the inauguration program. Minister Rajan on the occasion underlined on the need to stay healthy, saying it is a match for all. He also informed the gathering that a series of community halls are now under construction in the Lamsang Assembly constituency. The minister said badminton, table tennis and other sports can be played in the new community hall, he added.
Imada sakla me isak surpi wai dadi mama duna macha duna me sak sa wai ro aduna haurang chabal gi berjabidu gi cahitra ma me tanda pata tabine to ba tabanga mandaba mayala ning taningi pata tane to ba tabanga mandaba anda kaina board head ka baga pata taraga moi mayama pata yin thokram.
Altogether, 50 people from polling station 24/41 Naurem under Nambol constituency today joined the Bharatiya Janata Party BJP. A function to welcome them was organized by the BJP Nambol Mandal, BJP Manipur Pradesh, Vice President T.H. Basanta, who was among who attended the program. He urged upon the electorate to choose good leaders in the forthcoming 2022 State Assembly polls.
Laikai kudingi, lambi kudingi ulas tare. Laikai adu balaiwa, adu nala singai nama train chale. Adu ka yung kudingi sing thakaba, kudingi sing bhange, mai bhajana bhange, laiwa school, adu ki lain chakma yamse. Padana doctor laivana oda sing karakana. Adu bakwa adu ki kausap kendra jo oyu laikai. Karma kendra no.
Now let's have a short break.
Admissions open for pre-primary teachers training courses. 10 seats per batch for 6 months. 90% job facilities, also available online classes. For more details, please contact Nawa Singdamsang Office, Changangai, Makhalekai. Contact number 8837483810.
Welcome back. A political consultative meeting of BJP 53 Tamenglong Mandal and Samuel Jandai's worker from Awangku and Hauchung segment was held today at Samuel Jandai's residence in Kumji 5 village under Noni district. The consultative meeting was held in connection with the upcoming 12th Manipur Legislative Assembly election 2022. It was organized by BJP Awangkul and Hauchung segment in collaboration with BJP 53 SC Tamenglong Mandal. During the program, Samuel Jandais expressed gratitude to his workers, supporters and mentioned that he will contest the upcoming election on BJP ticket. If re-elected, Samuel Jandais said he would work for the farmers. Among others, the consultative meeting was attended by senior politicians, leaders of BJP Tamenglong Mandal, social workers, well-wishers and village authorities from Awangkul and Hauchung segment. Cougar Battalion Assam Rifles conducted a series of events in connection with the Swarnim Vijay Varsh. The program was held by 46 Assam Rifle under the aegis of 27th Sector, Igar South. The victory flame was carried from Giljang to the bank of Cougar Dam in beautifully decorated boats, which was received by the commandant of 46 Assam Rifle. The commandant also flagged off run for Fit India participated by 112 troops of Assam Rifles, including officers, JCOs and 10 civilians, covering a distance of around 10 km before culminating at the battalion headquarters of 46 Assam Rifles. Saplings were also planted at the Mata village, which was followed by a friendly football match and a volleyball match. The victory flame was then placed at the headquarters 46 Assam Rifles at Cougar, where respect was paid to it. 32nd Loktak Day 2021 was celebrated today at Sandra, Thangop Part 1 and Komlakong Manipur Fisheries Minister Sorokhaibam Rajan, Deputy Speaker K. Robindro Singh, Advisor to HCM P. Satra Chandra Singh, MSPCB Chairman L. Radhakishore, PDA Chairman T. Robindro Singh, Fisheries Department Commissioner M. Hare Krishna and Fishery Department Director H. Bal Krishna Singh were present at the function. A fish farm was inaugurated at Takmu to mark the Loktak Day. Fishery Minister Sorokhaibam Rajan during the function called on the fishermen to refrain from catching the small fish from Loktak Lake. He said the people of the state should protect and preserve the indigenous fish in Loktak.
Nga macha akupasing padupa net yamna kungba net ekoi mayamna number 13 ka hainari basing se ekoi tokta patamadu season na bidana ba masi pura total bel tawgi ekoi fishery department na su thokre adu loina na June July August paudi ekoi lokta ka ta basi kitang lep pami param di kaina hai kanda June July August si nga macha kokpa matam stay ekoi na nga mapi padupa amsu nga macha jingji akupa rang jingda adu khorga di ekoi sum lauthokraga loktak ta lairoi aduna loktak su kanba loina na loktak kanba iste jai koina loktak ta leijari banga sing si ekoi marang kaina thamba bisi ekoi yamna darkar obini aduna ne koina akupalang season na bigano du June July da nga adu puli chang si khara handana bai koi onana ba.
A Gram Sabha for Luangsambam Gram Panchayat under Hengang City Block was held today at the Luangsambam Awang Lekai Community Hall. The Gram Sabha discussed the needs and shortage of different wards under Luangsambam Gram Panchayat. Hengang City Block BDO Elangbam Amuthoy Singh, EOP Hengang City Block Y. Ibomcha Singh, PAL Madhu Chanda Devi, MRW of Social Welfare Department N. Prabhabati Devi and AE of PHED Ekan took part in the Sabha.
2 October da koi pangthokhiba adugi sawaduda puthokhiba koi war member sing war puklakpa kano koi development plan adugumba plan sing adagi labor budget NRS JS adugumba 2022 23 da tawgudaba thabakki sawad phamakpa koi lekai gi wat gi thorang kari wali kholi haba mayamdu pikhlakpa mayamdu 2 October da putho matung da ngasi aroi wena final oina koi ipubel lohunu baidangta sugumba pangthokpa gram sabha ne haina thamjagi.
Let's have a short break once again.
Occasion singidamakta makhal kya gi cake haibadi photo cake, layer cake, brunch cake, barbie cake, fruit topping cake, cupcake sina chingba fongbigani amadi adomgi apamba mongda cake customize tawbagi khudong chabasu pisari. Khudong chabasing asi lawbinabagi damakta lengsing bidau aikhoigi address NG College Road near Naurangtong. Phone number 9864112972. Aikhoigi online partner Food Wi-Fi amasung Food Web tagisu order tawiba yagani.
Welcome back. Manipur State Power Committee Limited has informed that the 33 by 11 kV DMC, Munutong Mantripukri 1 and TV, 11 kV VIP Hockey, Lamlong and Pangay will remain shut on October 22nd for renovation work inside the control room at Kuman Lampak substation. Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi on Wednesday was detained while she was on her way to Accra to meet the kin of a man who died in police custody on Tuesday, according to the Hindustan Times. A video shared by news agency NI shows police officials and Congress workers involved in a commotion, with the latter shouting chants against the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. She has been taken to police lines in Lucknow, Congress leaders familiar with the development told the newspaper. The police officials did not allow the Congress leader, claiming that she does not have the permission to meet the kin of the deceased. Police also imposed Section 144 in the area. They cited Agra District Magistrate's order, which barred politicians from entering the area as a reason behind stopping Priyanka Gandhi at the Lucknow-Agra Expressway. The India Meteorological Department IMD has predicted that heavy rains will lash across Kerala on October 20th and 21st. Scattered heavy to very heavy rainfall, which can be up to 204 mm, has been predicted for the 2 days. Therefore, fishermen have also been warned not to venture into the sea on those 2 days. As per the forecast, orange warning has been issued for 11 districts and yellow warning to 3 districts in Kerala for October 20. And for 21st, orange warning has been issued for 12 districts and yellow for 2 districts. Various district administration have issued alert to people living downstream and shifted them to relief camp set up in the state. Meanwhile, 42 people died and more than a dozen were missing after landslides and flash flood triggered in Uttarakhand and UP due to several days of heavy rain. Scientists at the Central Drug Research Institute, Lucknow, have developed a drug for dengue. Dengue is a viral fever that causes severe pain in the patient's bones. So far, there is no cure for dengue. It is treated on the basis of symptoms, but now scientists have found a cure. According to scientists, this medicine for dengue is based on plants. It is called a cure extract of Cocculus hirsutus, AECH. It is an antiviral drug, and since its experiment on rats have been successful, the Drug Controller General of India, DCG, have permitted the company for human testing. Preparation for dengue drug testings are underway in 20 medical colleges across the country, and at each college, 100 patients will be placed on trial and given the drugs. The test will be taken on the patients over 18 years of age. The drug is manufactured by a large pharmaceutical company in Mumbai. It is said the patients will be hospitalized for 8 days for testing and given a dose of medication for 7 days. After treatment, the patient will be monitored for 17 days as per a media report. Now the top news headlines once again. Manipur celebrates Mera Hao Chomba festivals with great fervor. coronavirus positivity rate further dips to 3.4%. Thank you for watching PONYTV. Keep watching for more updates. Good night, everyone.